Today I am reviewing the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an ultra-wide gaming and productivity monitor that completely transforms your workspace, the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved monitor is one of the most impressive options in its category. This isn't just a monitor upgrade. It feels more like a full immersion upgrade for both gaming and professional work. Right away, the first thing that stands out is the sheer size and design. At 49 inches with a 32:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio, this monitor essentially replaces a dual monitor setup. The 1500R curve wraps around your field of view, pulling you into the screen in a way that flat monitors simply cannot match. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, the experience feels incredibly immersive and natural. Now let's talk about resolution, because this is where things get serious. The monitor features a DQHD resolution of 5120 by 1440. That means you're getting an extremely wide workspace with sharp clarity across the entire panel. It's like having two high-resolution monitors seamlessly combined into one. For productivity tasks, this is a massive advantage. You can comfortably run multiple windows side by side: spreadsheets, browser tabs, editing software, code editors, all without feeling cramped. For gaming, the experience is equally impressive. The 165Hz refresh rate combined with a 1 millisecond response time and adaptive sync support ensures smooth and fluid motion. Fast-paced games feel responsive, with minimal motion blur and reduced screen tearing. Whether you're playing racing games, shooters, or open-world titles, the ultra-wide format adds a cinematic level of immersion that standard monitors just can't deliver. Color performance is another strong point here. With 120% sRGB coverage, this monitor delivers vibrant and accurate colors. This makes it suitable not just for gaming, but also for creative work like photo editing, video color grading, and design tasks. The high brightness and strong contrast ratio help maintain detail in both dark and bright scenes, so visuals look balanced and lifelike. Movies and streaming content especially benefit from this, offering a more cinematic viewing experience. One of the most practical advantages of this monitor is its flexibility in adjustment. It offers height adjustment of up to 16 centimeters along with tilt and rotation options. This means you can easily customize the setup for comfort, whether you're working long hours or gaming for extended sessions. Ergonomics matter more than people realize, and this monitor does a solid job in that area. Adding to the visual appeal is the built-in RGB ambient lighting on the back. While it doesn't affect performance, it definitely enhances the overall setup aesthetic. It creates a gaming atmosphere and can sync visually with other peripherals, making your desk setup look more premium and immersive, especially in low-light environments. Connectivity is another area where this monitor performs very well. It includes HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 support, allowing you to fully utilize high refresh rates and ultra-wide resolution without bottlenecks. You can also connect multiple devices at the same time, such as a PC, gaming console like a PS5 or Xbox Series X, and even a laptop. This makes switching between work and entertainment incredibly convenient without constantly plugging and unplugging cables. Now, let's talk about real-world usability. For productivity, this monitor is a game changer. Video editors, programmers, traders, and multitaskers will immediately appreciate the extra horizontal space. It reduces the need for multiple monitors and keeps everything within a single seamless display. You can timeline edit videos, monitor live data, or manage multiple applications without constantly switching windows. For gaming, it offers a highly immersive experience that feels closer to a panoramic view. Ultra-wide support in compatible games gives a broader field of view, which enhances both gameplay awareness and visual depth. Combined with a high refresh rate, it delivers a smooth and engaging experience. Eye comfort is also well considered. The monitor includes low blue light technology and a flicker-free design. This helps reduce eye strain during long sessions, whether you're working late, studying, or gaming for hours. It's a small but very important feature for anyone who spends a lot of time in front of a screen. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like most ultra-wide monitors, it does require a good amount of desk space, so you'll need to plan your setup accordingly. Also, not all games or applications fully support 32:9 aspect ratios, so in some cases you may see black bars or stretched visuals. However, most modern games and productivity apps handle it very well. Overall, the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved monitor is a powerhouse display that blends productivity, gaming, and immersive visuals into one massive screen. It offers excellent resolution, smooth performance, strong color accuracy, and flexible connectivity, all in a single ultra-wide setup. If you're looking to upgrade your workspace or gaming station into something more immersive, efficient, and visually impressive, this monitor is definitely worth serious consideration. It's not just a display, it's a full productivity and gaming experience upgrade.